we are. And the guy there in the car loves my shirt. See, I don't know what's written here, but he said, I love your shirt. Let me see. Can you read that? Okay. Hold on. Oh. Uh-huh. Where are we? Noah wants to see where are we. She's reading the map. Okay. We are right here, Pangga. Right here. Oh, here. We're here. So, we're okay? Okay, good. We're not lost? Oh, there's a house. I think that's a house there. I don't know if you can see that right there. See? Yeah. Somebody lives here? OMG. Okay. Would you mind if I video? Take a video? No?
Oh, no.
No. Okay.
No, thank you for asking.
Yeah, she doesn't want to video. He's...
Already have.
No, they don't want to video their product. Native Americans for Community Action at Oak Creek Vista. And this is another. Look at that. Look how deep. See? Oak Creek Valley is a Native American reservation, and this is their community, and they've been living here for thousands of years, and that explains why you see those table there. They're selling their handicraft to the tourists, but unfortunately they don't want it to be shown on video. So this is their place. So they are scattered around here, and they have their log cabin, or their cabin. And I hope we have more time to explore this place, but unfortunately we just passed by. We came from Sedona and we're going to Utah. So we pass this. We choose to pass this scenic view. So this is how we discover this place. You got something? Yeah, they don't want me to video their crop. That's where we are. We're going to Flagstaff, 20 miles from here. The elevation here is 6,420 feet. And Sedona, where we came from, is 16 miles. So, because of the COVID virus, or the rangers are closed, and the Forest Service, okay, okay, the toilets are closed at 3 p.m. So you must be here before 3 p.m. So you pee-pee, you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Good.